cold.
Wait, let me just fix my clothes. How do I look? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know you've been missing out a little bit on all of the vlogs. I know I have been super lazy. I have been a lot with Toby. He's been posting about our life, I guess, and I have been just, you know, chilling. And in today's video, I am actually so excited because I received a package, and this is an extraordinary package and I cannot wait for you to see it. I got my own Lego van. Yeah, right? I got my own Lego van and I am so stoked to build it today. I did a cooperation with Brickworms. They just sent me this picture of my van as a Lego and I totally freaked out because I used to play so much Lego when I was a child, and having my van as a Lego for you to buy it at home, this is a whole nother level. We're gonna open up the package and build a little bit of that Lego van together. I'm surprised. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure it will come much nicer to you at home and not in newspaper. Oh wow, look at this manual. Look at this manual. And this is called Phoenix by Susi Cruz, because maybe a lot of you know that my van never had a name until the accident when she raised and was reborn again like a phoenix. This is incredible. What? You have a little introduction with my whole story a little bit in the front. Oh wow. And then how I had my accident and why it's called Phoenix. And then you have those little step-by-step images for you to really slowly build a van. We're gonna do that, right? This will probably take me a little bit till I get this finished. Oh, by the way guys, if you go to my Instagram, I will post a picture and you can win one of those with a signature of mine on this manual, and you can win it. It's so cute. It comes in this little bag. Wow, how sweet is that? Oh, so much Lego guys, so much Lego. Oh Jesus. And I'm the first one for them to start in their van life section, and I feel very proud of it. I mean, who doesn't want a Lego van? 1 and 2 of 666ers. I don't think it's gonna be too complicated, to be honest. When I was a child in kindergarten, I used to play a lot with Lego. I was this little girl who would be running around in kindergarten, who would play with bricks, wooden bricks. I would build swords. I would build a lot of Lego houses and cars. I was this little crazy girl in kindergarten who didn't want to sleep, but I was very shy. I think I did had these kind of hobbies where I worked with my hands, and I think that really helped me to build creativity, to, you know, maybe even building my van nowadays.
Don't need diamonds.
And this is the current situation of it. I think it's gonna be my roof. Is it the roof? It's gonna be my rooftop. That took me about, what, 7 minutes? You know, because you have to find all the pieces, but it's very simple. It's so simple, every child can do it, and it does train the brain a little bit. I love that.
Only you can find paradise.
It's probably good to organize them a little bit, at least. Oh, look at little Penyo. I'm dying. Look at little Penyo. So we have 2 solar panels. And now the little chimney for my wood stove, which is so cute. I can't believe in how much detail they created this van. It's so much love behind it and just makes me so happy. My roof. I can put myself together already. Where's my head here? Look at me, I'm wearing bikini. Duh, I'm always on the beach. Do I have like a sassy face and a cute face? Today I feel like being cute, so I will put my cute face on. than my wig. Do you see the similarity in us? What's that piece for? Interesting. We have the side door. You see the side door? The sliding door? I feel like there's still so much to do. So we're at the wheels. Although I don't have a 4x4, but they better give me some good wheels because I need to drive a lot. I actually do need some new wheels though.
It takes ages.
Come on! What? He's so annoying. He's looking out through the window.
Hey guys.
Well, there's a fucking fly in my eye. It just flew in my eyes. It doesn't take ages. You just have to have a little bit of fun. Where's the fun if you buy it and it's just done within like 20 minutes? What the hell?
Have fun.
Thank you. These lousy neighbors. It's so hard to see those little pieces. I think it's so much fun if you build it with your child, with your girl, with your boy, so they can have this pink van and you tell them the story about Susi Cruz, how she's traveling with her van and nothing stops her. It is a little bit tricky, I think, if it's just a child, maybe not. If I was a child, I don't know if I could do it. I think I could, because I was pretty good at stuff like that. I was pretty good at a lot of games as a child. I always like these challenges, you know. I still like challenges nowadays. So I like to be challenged here as well. Yeah, I got it. I got it. You see, there's always one person in a relationship who does absolutely nothing to contribute this kind of life. Señor Peño. I'm not saying you should give it up, but you should be rethinking some things. Because this is not acceptable. Peño, could you help me for once? Could you help me instead of just sleeping, my sweetie? He doesn't even want to give me kisses. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'll do it. I got it. Like everything. I got it.
There's beauty to be found.
I mean, just the little details, the wood, the fridge, my counter, the red tiles with this little shelf. It's insane. This is the end result of the van. Look at all the details, my chimney, my solar panels. Everything looks so original. And even Peño is on there with me in my little bikini holding a cake. This is just perfectly me. So guys, you can buy this little van on their website. I will put the link down in the description box. They ship worldwide, all including the shipping fees. And yeah, I hope you will have fun with it. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to send me pictures once you build it. Also participate in the little giveaway that I put out on Instagram. So I wish you much fun and good luck and see you in the next video. Bye!
Every night.